Hello and welcome to English Podcast USA, your space for fresh ideas, global perspectives, and stories that matter. Each episode, we dive into conversations that inspire, challenge, and connect us across cultures. I'm Marco, and I'm glad you're here. Let's get started. Today, we are talking about how to make money and travel the world in 2026. Discover practical strategies on how to make money and travel the world. Learn proven methods to earn online while enjoying global adventures. Millions of people are now making a living while traveling the world. The work anywhere lifestyle has grown far beyond just a dream. Thanks to the rapid rise in remote work opportunities over the past few years, you've never had more freedom to combine work and travel. But freedom alone isn't enough. Turning this lifestyle into reality depends on knowing how to create reliable income on the move. Online income is a fast-changing environment, with new platforms, technologies, and opportunities appearing all the time. To make location-independent work successful, you need the right mix of skills, resources, and strategies that fit both your travel style and your financial goals. That's where proven approaches make the difference. By focusing on strategies that already work, you can avoid common pitfalls and start building sustainable income. The 7 strategies below are tried and tested. They can help you fund your travels and build invaluable work experience. 7 Best ways to make money and travel. Whether you plan to spend a few months overseas or adopt a lifelong nomadic lifestyle, here are the best ways to make money while traveling. Remote freelancing and consulting. Freelancing is one of the most flexible and reliable ways to earn money while traveling. With just your skills and a laptop, you can connect with clients worldwide and create a career that moves with you. Opportunities exist in writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and many other fields. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Total connect skilled professionals with clients around the world. One of freelancing's biggest advantages is scalability. You can start with small projects and gradually build a client base that provides steady income no matter where you are. Many digital nomads also find that specializing in a niche allows them to charge higher rates and attract more clients than if they remain generalists. Control over your schedule is another key benefit. By setting clear availability, maintaining professional boundaries, and consistently delivering high-quality work on time, freelancers can build a strong reputation and command higher fees. Time zone management is essential when working with clients from multiple countries. Project management software, scheduling tools, and automated responses help you stay organized and professional even with irregular hours. In fact, having a diverse client base across different time zones can work to your advantage, letting you balance your workload with your travel experiences. Online teaching and tutoring with platforms like VIPKid, Preppy, and Chambly offering flexible schedules and competitive pay, online English instruction has grown significantly. Beyond English, professional teachers can also offer lessons in science, math, trading principles, music, art, and more. Demand for these services is increasing worldwide, particularly in developing nations where students seek specialized knowledge and native speakers to deliver effective lessons. Online educators should invest in proper lighting, a quality headset, and a reliable internet connection. A loyal student base comes from creating engaging lessons, building strong rapport, and maintaining consistent availability. For those willing to put in extra effort, creating online courses is another profitable option. Once developed, courses can generate recurring income through platforms such as Teachable, Thingify, and Udemy. Online courses are especially appealing to travelers who want to reduce active teaching hours while maintaining steady revenue, thanks to their potential for passive income. Content creation and blogging. Despite the abundance of travel blogs, customers continue to be drawn to authentic voices and unique perspectives. Successful content creators usually focus on specific niches such as luxury travel, adventure sports, cultural immersion, or budget-friendly tips. While building a loyal following takes time and effort, established blogs can earn through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and advertising. The key to success is treating content creation as a business that requires consistency and planning. Social media promotion, SEO, and regular publishing schedules are all essential for boosting traffic and user engagement. Many creators diversify their income by combining blog advertising with digital product sales, Instagram partnerships, and YouTube videos, creating multiple revenue streams. Stock trading and investments. Online trading has become increasingly accessible to travelers, with sophisticated mobile platforms offering the same functionality as desktop systems. Day and swing trading as well as long-term investing all remain viable options for those with proper knowledge and risk management skills. However, success requires serious commitment and a solid trading education before risking real capital. Opportunities exist around the clock thanks to the global nature of financial markets, but success requires an understanding of different sessions and their characteristics. Many traveling traders focus on specific markets or strategies that align with both their risk tolerance and travel schedules. Sustainable income depends on a strong foundation of proper education in risk management, technical analysis, and fundamental research. Successful traders recognize that markets never stand still, so strategies must continually evolve. Taking trading education courses offered by reputable providers can assist in cultivating the skills as well as prevent the mistakes that costly traders make in ignorance. To stay balanced, many digital nomads choose to invest a portion of their earnings into trading rather than relying on it as their only income source. Digital marketing services. Digital marketing opens doors for independent brand consultants, copywriters, and content strategists who help businesses define their voice and story. These services allow brands to stand out in crowded online spaces, whether through developing detailed content calendars, creating brand guidelines, writing engaging blog posts, or producing high-quality video content. Because businesses of every size now compete for attention online, demand for skilled digital marketers is stronger than ever. This gives remote professionals the chance to build lasting careers while working from anywhere in the world. Many also expand their value by combining digital marketing expertise with other income-generating skills. For example, offering tailored solutions for financial sector clients creates unique value propositions that are difficult for competitors to match. The ability to understand both technical marketing tactics and industry-specific needs is what separates average marketers from premium consultants. Professionals who master this balance can command higher rates and secure long-term client relationships. Finally, measurable results matter most. By using analytics and reporting tools to prove their impact, digital marketers can demonstrate their worth, justify premium pricing, and keep clients coming back, no matter where they are based at. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce has evolved far beyond simple dropshipping, though that model still offers opportunities for those willing to find unique products and markets. By emphasizing brand development over product sales, successful internet merchants cultivate client loyalty by storytelling, quality, and customer service. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon FBA provide the infrastructure needed to run sophisticated e-commerce businesses from anywhere, delegation, and automation are essential for successful e-commerce while on the road. You can continue operating without being constrained by daily activities by utilizing automated customer support solutions, virtual assistants, and fulfillment services. Many digital nomads and expats start with simple models before expanding into more complex business structures that generate passive income streams. Successful e-commerce entrepreneurs dedicate significant time to research before launching. They study market trends, analyze competitors, and test different ideas to discover what resonates with customers. Using low-cost testing tools reduces risk while providing valuable insights into which products and strategies are most likely to succeed. With the right preparation, you can build an online store that keeps generating income no matter where your travels take you. Virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants are increasingly in demand as entrepreneurs and small business owners look for help managing emails, scheduling tasks, conducting research, and providing customer support. For travelers, VA work is especially appealing because it offers steady income with flexible hours, along with the ability to choose clients and specialize in specific areas. Running a successful VA business takes more than basic administrative skills. To stand out in a crowded market, you need to master various software tools, stay highly organized, and offer proactive support. Many virtual assistants also find that offering package deals or retainer agreements creates more consistent revenue than hourly billing, while giving clients predictable costs. Comparing the best online income methods for travelers. Each path, from freelancing and teaching to e-commerce and VA work, comes with its own strengths and challenges. To give you a clear overview, here's a side-by-side comparison of the top online income methods for travelers. Note: experience, commitment, market conditions, and skill level all strongly influence income potential. These figures represent common ranges for full-time digital nomads in each field. In conclusion, earning money online while traveling takes entrepreneurial spirit, focused execution, and practical skills. The strategies outlined here remain reliable paths to location independence. Many successful digital nomads combine several income streams, creating financial stability while keeping the freedom to explore the world.